Hi, welcome to Gandhan channel, a way to knowledge. Today's topic is how to get glowing skin in a simple way. Face is the index of mind, but because of our busy lifestyle, regular skincare takes a backseat. Constant stress, dirt, pollution, sun exposure, and junk food affects further. When it comes to getting glowing skin, it's easy to pile on all the makeup products in the world. But following some simple steps, you can get an amazing glow in your face. Here are some brilliant beauty tips for your skin. The golden rule. Make sure you always remove your makeup before going to sleep. The skin needs to breathe overnight, and makeup prevents that. To remove the makeup, just put some olive oil on a cotton pad and gently massage your face to get rid of makeup and dirt. Wash your face twice a day. Washing your face helps to get rid of dirt, impurities and grime and is an important beauty tip for the face. Wash your face with a gentle foaming cleanser. Face wash enriched with activated carbon helps to remove any traces of pollution damage from your face to make your skin look absolutely clean, flawless and radiant. Massage your face regularly. Facial massages are a common practice that a lot of women follow as a part of their beauty routine. There are so many benefits from facial massage. It is a natural way to relieve stress and to enhance your mood. This stimulates the production of collagen and blood circulation in the skin. Regularly massaging your face tightens skin and lifts your facial muscles. This is an amazing anti-aging treatment and works well to give you a youthful glow. Hydrate yourself. Drink lots of water daily, at least 8 glasses. Also eat fruits and vegetables that have high water content such as watermelon, cucumber, orange, strawberry and grapefruit. Skin, just like any other organ of your body, requires water to function properly. Lack of hydration will show on your skin as it will make it appear dry, tight and flaky. It helps to reduce pimples, marks and acne, even delaying the aging process to an extent. Use sunscreen regularly. Apply sunscreen with SPF at least 15 that blocks both UVA and UVB rays. If you want healthy, glowing and wrinkle-free skin, then it is important that you follow this beauty tip for face without fail each and every day. Use face mask regularly. If you want an easy and instant way to achieve healthy and fair skin, then you need to use face mask frequently. Using the correct face mask helps to hydrate skin, remove excess oils and improves the appearance. They are also an excellent way to help pull out impurities. Beauty sleep. Try to sleep at least 8 hours every night. If you don't get enough sleep, your skin gets tired just like you. It sags and you get bags. So don't risk it. Resting helps rebalance your body's hydration and keeps your skin solid and hydrated. You can also apply honey on your face twice or thrice a week to naturally soothe and heal your skin. Spa day every day. Have a normal healthy skin routine. For dry skin, utilize a new cherry oil. Apply the mash of new cherries all over. Leave for 15 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. Don't forget to do facial back rub with oils like mustard, coconut or almond. Sound habits. Try to minimize the stress as much as possible. Mental pressure makes your body to produce different chemicals, making the skin all the more sleek. Practice stress relieving habits like breathing activities, yoga, and contemplation. For getting healthy, the kind of food you eat is everything. Keep a note on your meal. Eat new natural products, greens, adequate protein and nutrients. An eating regimen plentiful in nutrient C and low in fats and sugar advances is good for brilliant skin. Consider a low sugar diet which can keep insulin levels down, permitting cells to keep a good overall arrangement. Work it out. Exercise consistently. Brisk walk, jogging and yoga will give your body the important blood dissemination and furthermore speed up the purification interaction of your whole body. You will see a gleam all over in the wake of working out. If you want to beat aging, simply go for a lively stroll around the square. Thank you. Be happy. Be healthy.